Hello everyone, today I am going to be showing you how you can fix either one of these problems in Windows if you are facing one of these problems and your PC restarted during a driver update. So an easy fix for this is to go ahead and let the PC restart with the blue screen of death. There will be a blue screen instead of anything like this. The computer won't open. So a quick fix for that is to let your PC restart, and when it's restarting, press the shift key and then let it restart. Okay, wait. Your computer won't obviously open, so you should consider that it will restart, and once it does, you have to press the shift key and hold it like that so that we can start the solution. Okay, PC has restarted. I have still pressed the shift key. Wait, it has not restarted into that recovery phase. So another thing that you can try is to again restart, let it restart. And if this happens a lot of time, then the computer will shut down 3 or 4 times. Then it will automatically open up the repair option, or else this screen will come up when you want to when you hold the shift key with the restart. So here, if you are seeing a screen like stuck, right? Okay, so I have came back into this interface. So here you might see only 3 options. This option will not be there. There will be continue, troubleshoot, and turn off your PC. So you have to click on troubleshoot, and when you click on troubleshoot, go into advanced options. In advanced options, you need to go into startup settings and then click on restart. Okay, so now once you have restarted, you will have to click 4 for safe mode, and if you don't have the drivers already installed, you can click on 5 for to download the drivers and then install them, so that the corrupted driver will not work. But with the safe mode, it won't turn on, but the corrupted driver will also not turn on. So networking will be available, but the drivers won't be available for this. Okay, so now you will see this screen. So all you have to do is type your password so that your PC will turn on. Go into your Windows, and this should be the screen that you should be seeing with this safe mode and this and this. So these are the basic things that should be there. And with networking, you can take the advantage of this network. So by going onto Google, you can search up your drivers, you can install them, and first you have to download them, then you can install the older drivers. So first you need to know which version of the drivers you had installed. And first of all, I'm going to go ahead and show you that I have these drivers. So I am going to install them. Click on OK. This is only for the Nvidia, but AMD users can follow the same guide, just that they have to um, download their own drivers and then get the whole thing, get the drivers and from the AMD website, and choose the AMD graphics card in there. And you just need to know the graphics driver version regardless of which company graphics card you are using. So this might be the one you see for Nvidia, and it should be the version that you had already installed before. So I need to click on agree and continue. And just as a safety thing, um, your drivers, if they are corrupted, you are going to get that nvldd error. So that is one thing. And if that error comes up, your PC won't boot up to Windows. It will restart again and again. And in that restarting, you might see a screen where it says restart and advanced options. So just click on advanced options if that screen is there, because then your whole process will be simpler. And you have to do the same process. You have to go into troubleshoot, advanced options, startup behavior, and then safe mode with networking to download your drivers and then safely install them in safe mode so that your original drivers don't accidentally load up, which have been already corrupted. So let us wait for these drivers to install. Okay, so the Nvidia driver has successfully installed. So once this screen comes up, click on close and then go into your Windows menu, power, then click on restart so that it can restart into normal Windows. And I'm sure that this will help you to solve a problem very easily. And if safe mode with networking does not work and the driver still starts up and you get there, you again go to the advanced options to get into the normal safe mode instead of with networking, because sometimes that can hamper the Nvidia driver. So I have had that experience. So try normal safe mode. Get the drivers from another PC for your PC, and choose the graphics card in your PC, not that PC's graphics card. And if you choose your PC's graphics card and install an older driver, then you can obviously update in the future when the driver gets more stable, the newer driver gets more stable. And once you do that, then you will be tension free. And as you can see, Windows has normally booted up. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, because this is the first video on YouTube telling you how you can start your PC if it is not automatically continuing to Windows. So thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye.